If you think you need a college degree to get rich, let me tell you something that might surprise you. You've been lied to. Because the truth is, the world has changed. The way people make money has changed. And today, a degree is no longer the ticket to success. It's an option, not a requirement. Most people grow up hearing the same script. Go to school, get good grades, get a degree, get a job, and hope everything works out. But look around. Millions of people followed that script and still ended up struggling financially, buried in debt, and stuck in jobs they don't even like. Meanwhile, the richest individuals today? Many of them didn't follow the script at all. Not having a degree is not a disadvantage anymore. But not having a skill is. And that's exactly where we begin. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine two people standing at the starting line of life. One has a college degree but no real-world skills. The other has no degree but has skills that businesses need, skills that solve problems, skills that create value. Who do you think moves faster? The one with skills. Every single time. Because in the real world, skills make money, not degrees. So when people ask, can I get rich without college? The answer is not yes. The answer is absolutely yes, if you're willing to learn the right skills. And the best part? Most of the skills that can make you rich today don't require college at all. They require dedication, consistency, creativity, and the willingness to start. Let's talk about them. The first one is high-income digital skills. Things like copywriting, Canva design, social media management, editing, AI automation, coding, digital ads, sales, and web design. These skills can be learned from free YouTube videos, online courses, or even just practice. You don't need a professor. You need an internet connection and the will to improve. People with these skills make $50, $100, even $300 per hour depending on their expertise. Some build agencies, some go freelance, some work remotely, some build digital businesses. The opportunity is massive because businesses everywhere need these skills. Next is something people forget: sales. If you know how to sell products, services, or ideas, you will never be broke in your life. Salespeople with no degree often out-earn doctors with degrees, because when you know how to close deals, your income becomes unlimited. Then comes starting a small business, the exact path many millionaires took. No degree needed. People start car detailing, reselling products, flipping items online, starting cleaning services, landscaping, personal training, photography. And those small businesses become big businesses. But here's the key. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be consistent. The world doesn't reward the smartest people. It rewards the most valuable people. And value does not come from a degree. Value comes from what you can do. Let's go deeper. There are 3 paths that make people rich without college: learning high-value skills, starting a business, leveraging the internet. The internet is the greatest equalizer in human history. It doesn't ask where you went to school. It only cares what you can create. There are teenagers making 6 figures on YouTube, moms making money selling digital products from home, people with no degree making thousands by using AI tools to work faster than traditional employees. The reason? Today, money follows attention, creativity, and value, not degrees. But becoming rich without college requires one thing most people ignore: self-education. You need to teach yourself the things that school never taught you: money management, marketing, investing, communication, discipline, time management, goal setting, networking. And here's the crazy part. You can learn all of this for free online. So let me share something powerful. If you want to get rich without college, you must follow this simple formula: skill, service, income, scale, invest, wealth. This is how people build fortunes today. Learn a skill. Offer it as a service. Make money. Scale it with systems, automation, or hiring. Invest the money you earn into assets like stocks, crypto, and businesses. Repeat until wealthy. You don't need a degree for any of this. You need courage. You need hunger. You need the willingness to start even when you don't feel ready. And here's something nobody tells you. Most people with degrees don't get rich because they rely on the degree. People without degrees get rich because they rely on themselves. That difference is everything. And if you're watching this video right now, it means you're not making excuses. You want to grow, you want to learn, and you want to change your life. And that alone already puts you ahead of most people. The truth is simple. College is a path, but it's not the path. You can build wealth by building skills. You can build wealth by building a business. You can build wealth by using the internet. You can build wealth by investing early. You can build wealth by becoming valuable. Not having a degree means nothing. Not taking action means everything. People who get rich without college all share one trait. They started before they felt ready. Your dream life doesn't require permission. It requires progress. And the second you stop waiting for perfect conditions is the second your life starts to change. So if no one has told you this today, let me be the first. You have everything you need to become successful. You have the potential to be rich. You have the ability to build a future far beyond what you can imagine right now. You don't need a degree to get rich. You need a vision. You need a skill. And you need the discipline to show up every day until you get there. This is TOMINVEST, and if you want more powerful financial content, business ideas, and wealth-building strategies, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment "I will succeed" to lock this mindset into your future. Your journey starts now, and trust me, your future self is already thanking you.